When you can get away with it, willy-nilly is the best.
Hey, if you're new here, I'm Jackie. I bought bare land on Vancouver Island 4 years ago with the goal to be more self-sufficient. I started with a garden and a food forest, and now it's time to build myself an eco-home. Today we are forming up these posts. Kevin bought these cool little beveled pieces to make like the beveled look. And then my cedar posts are gonna sit on top. And yeah, so this is the post for my pergola. This is there's another post over here for the other side of the pergola, which will be, again, a beautiful Western red cedar post that I paid extra for, but it's more waterproof and like durable than Douglas fir, and I didn't want to have to use a stain on it that was going to make add PFAS to my soil or whatever. So I went with cedar.
Oh no, yes, 4 inches, because it's tricky because the concrete is an inch wider on every side than the post.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Good. We are all good. Okay, get a nail in there.
Oh, I turned the air compressor off.
Ah, well, that would be our problem.
Well, you're supposed to turn it off at night, otherwise it makes noise.
We're in business.
You gotta give it time to build up pressure. Chill.
No.
Woo!
Okay, we're in business. We're in the business here. In the business.
Can't see it.
Okay.
Can you see it?
Here, let me. It looked pretty good.
Yeah, it looks perfect.
It moved a little. Can you check it again?
Did it move? Oh no.
It moved.
I don't want to hit the bottom there. Yeah, you're right, it did move.
It's okay. I'll just tap her out a little bit. We need to cut.
I need to cut these.
16 1/4. Okay. Now these suckers, we're just gonna throw these on all willy-nilly because these don't really matter.
Oh, willy-nilly.
When you can get away with it, willy-nilly is the best.
Pro tips from Carpenter Kev.
When you can do it willy-nilly,
Yeah.
you just do it willy-nilly. Key is knowing when
And
willy-nilly is acceptable. The worst is when.
I think if it was up to me, everything would be willy-nilly. I'm not exactly the best with attention to detail.
Oh, it's pretty good. Pretty good. Hey, baby.
I'm holding it here.
It's gonna come through there. But...
Oh, it's lucky I moved my hand. It was right there.
Well, I told you. I warned you.
Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna go on the bottom. We are right on the line there still.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, no. This one could move over a little bit. Like,
There.
maybe.
Okay, watch your hand.
Okay.
Beauteous.
Oh, my goodness. Sending shakes all through my body.
Oh yeah. Sorry. A couple more. This is gonna hold a lot of weight, so want to make sure. Make sure it's not gonna blow out. One more, last one.
Okay.
So now these are gonna go like that. And then we're just gonna cap off the front here. Yeah,
Should I be oiling any of these?
Yeah, we should, and we should probably tie this rebar up to here as well.
Using linseed oil and Castile soap trick on the inside of these forms to give it a nice smooth finish on the concrete. Yeah, these little things are like more time consuming than you think they're going to be. So we're like boxing out the column for the post. The concrete's going to flow all the way through here and then stop. Are you going to be able to reach in there with that thing?
Well, you don't really have to. This piece is going to go like that. It's gonna blow.
Oh my gosh.
She's gonna blow it. I think you gotta lock it first. And you wanna try to get, like, pointed up under here if you can.
Yeah, see, this is going to be really messy, I think.
We'll just paint it on. And you wanna get the pore strip for sure.
Next, we had to oil the form ply because this helps create a nice smooth finish against the concrete, and the top part of the concrete, like the top 8 inches, is exposed, so you do want a nice smooth finish. Now, usually the form ply oil is a petrochemical oil, but obviously I didn't want to use that, so I DIY'd a solution out of linseed oil and Castile soap, and this actually worked really well, but it ended up being a bit too thick for my sprayer, so I had to brush it on. Highly recommend this, though. It created a beautiful finish with that concrete and is just so much safer for the environment and for you too, applying it. The last step was putting in the ties and the whaler bars. These hold the forms in place from the weight of the concrete when it tries to like push the form ply out. We were actually able to rent these, which was great, but because they were rented by the day, we just rented them like the day before the concrete was coming, which took us all day to install. We put in all the tie bar, not tie bar, just bar, whaler bar today. I'm so tired. It took us a long time. I didn't film any of it because we were really tight on time. Like, we've been working since 9 to 8 o'clock, 11 hours. I'm tired. I'm so tired. Tomorrow is concrete day though, so hopefully it all goes well again. Should be good.